Did you know that you can easily add a virtual home button on your iPhone screen that allows you to customize it so that it acts just like the old home button that we used to have? In this video, I'll show you how to add the home button to your screen and then how to customize it so it works like we're used to. To get started, first open the Settings app. Inside of here, scroll down and then choose Accessibility. Inside of the Accessibility menu, select Touch. At the top in here, you'll see Assistive Touch. Choose that. To enable the virtual home button, tap the slider on the right to toggle it on. You'll then see a button appears on your screen. You can press and hold on the button to move it around to where you'd like it to be. By default, the button works like this. You press the button and you get a menu. Inside of here, you have some options like Notification Center, Device Settings, Control Center, and then Home. To jump to your home page like our old button worked, just tap Home. But I want it to work like the old button without a menu. So head back into the Assistive Touch Settings menu and let's make a couple of adjustments. Under Custom Actions, select Single Tap and then change this to Home. Then after that, select Double Tap and change that to Open Menu. You can also choose an option for the long press if you want, but I'll leave it like this. Now when you single tap the home button, it closes whatever you're in and heads back to the home page just like we were used to. You can try this out, or you can try a bunch of different custom options to see which one works for you. And that's how you add a virtual home button to your iPhone's home screen.